Hi, and welcome to Blinkbid. Today we're going to discuss personalities. I'm talking about the future of what it is to be a creative professional. You can view your personalities in the upper right-hand corner. You can also manage them by clicking My Account. Let's go over to Manage Personalities. Here you can see the personalities you've already created. For example, I'm mostly a portrait photographer, so I have that personality and the catalog that best matches that. But at times, I'm also booked to be a fashion commercial photographer, so I needed to create that personality with the appropriate catalog. Each personality has its own tax settings, its own logo, and its own catalog assigned to that personality. Let's go ahead and create a new personality. Here, you can add the nickname, your business name if it's different, and all the appropriate information. Now you need to select the default catalog for your personality. Each catalog is unique to the personality you select. For example, my commercial photography catalog is going to be different from my portrait photography catalog. You're going to notice that the catalog has specific needs for each personality. Go ahead and add the address. Under images, you can upload the logo for that personality. Each personality is going to have its own logo uploaded. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Create. You can view and switch between your personalities by clicking by your name in the upper right-hand corner.